Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and I'm just so excited to announce that today we are going to have my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. I cannot believe that I have reached it this far, and I just want to say thank you again to everyone that has helped support my channel by liking, sharing, subscribing, clicking the notification bell, donating through my PayPal links, clicking on my affiliate links, and just making this such a fun channel to run. I am really excited to announce this giveaway, and more information is coming up in just a second. Please stay tuned. I would just like to first start off by saying this has been a really fun journey. My entire journey through Locksport has been incredibly fun. I've been picking about 2.5, 3 years. I would need to really think back when I truly first started. And it has just been such a really great community the entire time. The whole experience has been fantastic. This community is full of so many people that are just so willing to help, so willing to get involved, and just want to see everyone be successful. It has not been a hobby like where they like to protect their information and don't like to foster new members. I am so happy to see the Locksport community always being so generous, and I thank everyone for having your part in the community. I started this channel a little over a year ago, and I first started it off as a means to try to help educate people on how to get started in Locksport. That is still the central focus of my channel. I have been getting very busy in my personal life. I have started grad school. I've been dealing with classes, but I do hope to start to make more of my lockpicking homeschool videos, start making some more of the featured channel of the week videos, and I'm really glad that everyone has really enjoyed the Locksport update videos. It has been proving to be a challenge for me to make 2 videos a week, but I am trying to keep up with that, and I'm going to try to get on a much more regular schedule down the road. But thank you to everyone that has helped support this channel and just keep it as fun and interactive as it has been. So as a celebration for everyone that has been helping make my channel to where it is today, I'm going to do my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. I still cannot believe that I have reached this milestone. I not only have 15,000 subscribers, the channel has over 1 million views, and it's just fun interacting with everyone. So what I thought about doing for this giveaway is doing something special. I typically close my giveaways to only US entries because shipping outside the US is just very difficult. This giveaway will allow international people to enter, but they will need to cover the international shipping. But what we're going to give away is going to be a really cool thing. As you've seen in some of my previous videos, I have bought this copper pinning tray from lockvault.com, and what he does on his pinning trays is he has a CNC machine. He cuts these out and he's able to put your own channel logo on. I'm not going to be giving away a copper pinning tray because these are just much too expensive. This one was around $170, but I am going to give away an aluminum one. So when you enter this, you are entering to win an aluminum CNC pinning tray made by lockvault.com. And what I recommend is if you are going to enter this giveaway, if you have a channel art, make sure you have one in a vector format or one in a very high definition so he'll be able to put in a custom logo onto your tray. That is his Lockvault logo. And in mine you can see my Helpful Lockpicker logo. What I really like about the aluminum tray versus the copper one is it is a little bit less shiny, so it will show off the pens without having the shine in the way. Also, it provides a much better contrast when you are trying to show off the pens. You're not going to have a copper color with a copper spring, or you're not going to have a brass kind of colored pen on a copper tray because you'll be able to see them much better. This is much lighter, it corrodes less, and it is less expensive to produce. So I'm really excited to give one of these away. So some of the ground rules for entering this giveaway is: 1, I want to make sure that you make a video picking and gutting a lock specifically for this giveaway. So in the video, I want it to be very clear that this video is made for this giveaway. You can say something like, this is for the Helpful Lockpicker giveaway, or something like that. I really just don't want to see people reusing videos they have already used just as an easy way to enter the contest. The other thing is, inside of the video description, and I'll put on the bottom here so you can read it, I'd like you to add hashtag Helpful Lockpicker and hashtag 15,000 subscriber giveaway. This will populate above the title my Helpful Lockpicker name and the giveaway, and this will just be a cool way to be able to sort some of these videos and being able to label it as my giveaway. The third thing I would like to have everyone do is, if you want to be able to enter, you need to be a subscriber to my channel. So if you haven't already, please check out and hit the subscribe button, and that would really be a really great thing for you to do. And also, if you live outside the United States, you'll have to cover the shipping getting this out to you, because it is very expensive to ship outside the United States. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start accepting entries today, and I'm going to run all the entries for 1 week. So on February 5th, that will be the last day to enter, so that would be at 23:59 Eastern Time. And then I will announce the following week the winner in my Locksport update video on February 16th. So I highly encourage everyone to enter this. This is a really cool tray to own. This is going to make a really great addition to your collection, and I highly recommend everyone enter. But either way, guys, I just want to thank everyone so much for helping support my channel, making it what it is today, and I really hope you enjoy this petting tray. This petting tray is over $100 value, and I really hope that whoever gets it is going to enjoy it. But thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.